happy because you get a gentle Monday, you get a fun thing to do instead of doing textbook work or the hard work you're going to have to do the rest of the week. Be super awesome to these people because I love them and because we want them to bring their dog to us again, okay? All right, awesome. Clap for Miss Marlene.
All right, well, you folks are already ahead of the game because we met out at Butterfly Alley, at least most of you, earlier this year, and we gave you a little preview of the different types of seed heads. So typically what I would do is I would come in here and I would go through that with you. You know, that's probably boring. You don't want to hear from me here in the classroom. So rather than do that again, we're just going to show a short video of last year's students cleaning just to kind of give you some inspiration so you'll see what we're going to be up to. And then we're going to prepare your tables and pass out supplies and clean our seeds. Does that sound good?
Everybody say whoop whoop. Whoop, whoop. I can't believe you guys still do it when I ask you if you've done it.
Cool. You figured yours out, garden flocks. Yep, you're professional indeed. So you see this one single pod? It is full of seeds that are very tiny. Show you. So this is a cone head versus that crumbly cone head. These cone heads have these spikes that kind of parts, but you're absolutely right. All these little grainy things are the seeds, and this is just some of them. I would just lump it in the category of chaff, but I don't okay with this because you got a lot out of it. Yep, okay. I'm okay with that. Oh. I knew it. No, these, here you've got a lot of them. Odds. And put the fluff and seeds in this bag. And then what we're going to do is we're going to shake them with some rocks or coins, which should help dislodge the seeds from the milkweed fluff.
Yeah, I asked her if I should get the burnt one. The burnt oh. I don't like that. What's also respectful? The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. I'm bored, I'm sorry. Get it. I'm able to do it.
Oh, question mark? Question mark? For the scientific.
It's Jam. He's working with Monarda punctata, and these are the seeds down on the bottom. Mm-hmm. This is the Natural Resources Management class here at the Forrest Career and Technology Center in St. Mary's County, Maryland. Today, we got the opportunity to help separate chaff from seeds of native plants that will be used to make native plant and pollinator gardens to improve the ecosystem throughout our whole county. This is the kind of work that we love to do. Go Wild Ones, Chesapeake Bay!
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul